In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a Calendly event quickly and easily. This is the fastest method if you've already booked a meeting and need to remove it without any confusion. I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can cancel the event the right way and avoid missing anything important. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open the Calendly confirmation email for the booking you want to cancel. This is usually the email you received after scheduling the event, and it contains the details for your meeting, including the date, time, and cancellation options. If you have multiple bookings, double check that you're opening the correct confirmation email so you don't cancel the wrong event. Once you have the email open, look for the cancel button. Calendly places this option directly inside the confirmation email, making it easy to manage your booking without needing to search through settings or log into a dashboard first. Click Cancel to start the cancellation process. After that, Calendly may ask you to select a reason for the cancellation. If this appears, just choose the option that best matches your situation. This step helps provide feedback to the host, and depending on the setup, it may be required before you can finish canceling. If you're not prompted for a reason, you can simply move on to the next step. Now click Confirm Cancellation. This is the final action that officially cancels your Calendly event. Once you confirm, the booking should be removed, and the organizer will usually be notified automatically. It's a good idea to look for a confirmation message or email so you know the cancellation went through successfully. And that's it, your Calendly event is now cancelled. As you can see, the process is very straightforward once you know where to look. Just open the confirmation email, click Cancel, choose a reason if needed, and confirm the cancellation. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.